नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, listeners, learners, officials, professionals, doctors, ministers, researchers, advocates, advertisers, all the persons throughout the world, those who are listening, पूजनीय, अति पूजनीय, सम्माननीय, माननीय, I, Saint Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is really praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. Words fall short in your praise because you are providing your valuable and precious, priceless time for listening the truth of science and spirituality. So your blessings and grace are always with me. I expect from you will help in the betterment and upliftment of our family, society, nation, and our soul and spirituality. So, how to pray, when to pray, why to pray, when to pray, where to pray, these questions are very common for escaping and saving ourselves from the irremediable diseases that are very common nowadays for doing practically and fundamentally in our life applicable what we should do. Teaching about prayers, we study in Luke 11, 2-4, word number 5. When you pray, do not be like the hypocrites. Because we are doing prayer and the listener of the prayer is inside, and the soul who is praying, that is also inside, in the same place, in the same heart. Heart is the indivisible organ of our human body. Mind can be classified conscious, unconscious, subconscious, but heart cannot be. Heart is the only one place of God and soul. If there is the satanic power, then we are to fight for it. We are to pray to God. Further, it is said they love to stand up and pray in the houses of worship and on the street corners so that everyone will see them. I assure you, they have already been paid in full. But when you pray, go to your room, close the door and pray to your Father who is unseen, and your Father who sees what you do in private will reward you. When you pray, do not use a lot of meaningless words as the pagans do, who think that their gods will hear them because their prayers are long. Do not be like them. Your Father already knows what you need before you ask Him. This then is how you should pray. Our Father in heaven, may your holy name be honored. May your kingdom come. May your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today the food we need. Forgive us the wrongs we have done as we forgive the wrongs that others have done to us. Do not bring us to hard testing, but keep us safe from the evil one. Further, next it is said, if you forgive others the wrongs they have done to you, your Father in heaven will also forgive you. But if you do not forgive others, then your Father will not forgive the wrongs you have done. So how to pray, when to pray, where to pray, what to pray. It is very clearly said in all the religious scriptures of our religions. So we are to follow honestly and sincerely at home, where we are. He is always with us, everywhere with us. He is watching us, He is listening us, He is thinking, He is doing everything with us, He is enjoying everything in our body. He is in the form of cell, not only in cell and tissue, but He is in the form of rays and waves in our body. But beyond it, we can say He is also exist at the waveless and rayless places. So ultimately we are reaching at that conclusion. Today's serious disease, HIV or AIDS, living with HIV or AIDS. How do you live with HIV infection? Be as positive as you can. Do not panic. HIV and AIDS are serious, but you may still see many healthy years. People who look after themselves with a positive outlook live longer than those who give up and get depressed. Live a clean and healthy life. Eat a healthy, balanced diet, including fresh fruit, vegetables, milk, and a variety of nutritious food. Make sure your drinking water is clean. Keep yourself, your home, and your surroundings clean. Avoid things that cause cancer, like smoking, chewing tobacco or betel, strong alcohol, and too much sun on the skin. Do not have children if either partner has HIV, as it can be passed on through the womb. If you are already pregnant and you or your husband has HIV, talk about this with your doctor. Take treatment HAART if possible. This will add years to your life and life to your years. Think carefully about who you need to tell it. If you have HIV, it is possible that you have infected other people. You can then pass it to more people. The sooner you warn them, the less people will get infected. So what are the wrong ideas about HIV and AIDS? People have all sorts of wrong ideas about how HIV and AIDS passes from person to person. HIV or AIDS is passed only through blood and body fluids. It is important to note that you cannot get AIDS from shaking hands, hugging, or simple kissing with lips. Sharing room, clothes, or household items. Sharing toilet sheets, bedding, utensils, or crockery. Coughing, sneezing, saliva, or tears. Insect bites, touching doorknobs, eating food prepared by others, drinking water. So we are to escape our soul. Our body can be healthy, our heart can be healthy, our mind can be healthy by having balanced diet. But these things are just to spend a healthy life, not for the health of soul. For the health of soul, what we are to do? We are just to be the habitual. And habitual of what? Meditation, repetition of the God's words. Not only repetition of the God's words, but what the word is going in the form of reverberatory, in the form of dhunatmak naam, that can be listened only by paying attention, not by any kind of vibration and not any kind of action in our internal organs of the body. When our internal body organs becomes one with in the presence of lungs, heart and mind both meets at one place, then on some extent it can be said that our soul has been united with God, and our thought processing becomes totally thoughtless at that place, and we forget our past, we forget our future, and we come 100% in the present time, present moment, and we enjoy now, today and here. So this is the total remedy for coming, for forgetting our past, for forgetting our future. We must meditate on words firstly, and when we reach at the stage where there is no word, the position, the situation, the condition where there is no word, that is wordless position. There is also the soundless position, that is also lightless position. So God is also exist there, soul is also exist there. Soul, who was, who is to come. God, who was, who is to come. So never feel that where is my soul and where is my God. They are, they were, they will, they are to come in the form of living presence. In the form of living presence, we can understand on some extent from the example of the sun. The sun who makes us rise in the morning time with providing the rays, fresh rays. It provides us for getting up, for freshing us, for making us more healthy, energetic, and keeping us away from the dark of the world, because this is the dark age. So around us we have a number of darkness, darkened elements